Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Intercom customer messaging platform, my live chat and support experience. Intercom customer messaging platform is a business messaging tool designed to help companies connect with their customers through various channels like live chat, email, and in-app messaging. Its target audience is primarily businesses, from startups to large enterprises, looking to improve customer communication, streamline support, and boost customer engagement. Key features include targeted messages, chatbots, and customer data integration. Their website provides further details about various pricing tiers and specific features. Intercom emphasizes its user-friendly interface, making it easy for businesses to implement and manage their customer communications. While they don't explicitly advertise no hidden fees or no contracts, their pricing structure appears to be relatively straightforward, based on the number of users and features selected. They tout their platform's ability to improve customer satisfaction and retention by providing a seamless and personalized messaging experience. Intercom's technology leverages the power of machine learning for features like chatbots and automated message routing. You can check out their website for more information on specific features and pricing. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Intercom customer messaging platform. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process guided me through setting up my messaging channels, integrating with my existing CRM, and customizing the chat widget for my website. Navigating the interface is intuitive, the dashboard is clean and well organized. I particularly liked how easy it was to create targeted messages based on user behavior and demographics. For example, I set up a welcome message for new website visitors and a separate message for returning customers who had abandoned their shopping carts. The live chat feature performed reliably, messages were delivered instantly, and the conversation history was easily accessible. I tested the chatbot functionality as well, and I was impressed by how effectively it handled basic customer queries. I had a quick question regarding custom integrations, and their support team responded within a day via email with helpful information and links to relevant documentation. I was really impressed by how customizable the platform is, allowing me to tailor the experience to my specific business needs. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to seamlessly switch between different communication channels within a single conversation. One minor drawback I noticed was the complexity of some of the advanced reporting features. It took me a little while to get used to navigating and interpreting the data. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Intercom customer messaging platform. While it has a bit of a learning curve for some of the more advanced features, it generally met my needs and provided a valuable tool for enhancing my customer communications. That's my overview of Intercom customer messaging platform. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.